Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Nothing Ear Tube earbuds here. These are gonna cost you $149.99 on Nothing's website, which I will link down in the description. I bought these the first day that you were able to, and they got to me yesterday. I've been waiting to do this unboxing video. As you can see, it is still in its wrapping. So in this video, let's do an unboxing, first impressions, and maybe I might just compare them side by side to the Nothing Ear ones real quickly. So let's get these bad boys out. So as far as getting them out, looks like there's this little pull tab here where I can just maybe pull it up, and I think that's what that was for. I'm not sure. Let's see here. So started pulling this apart here, and I have no clue why it is so dang difficult to get these out right now. So far, kind of pain in the butt to get out. As you can see here, I'm literally like destroying the box out here. So kind of strike one is that little pull tab did not do its job. So let's continue to get this ripped open. As you can see, now it's starting to do something. So now we got something cooking here, which was way more difficult than what I anticipated, but here we go. Here is the box, which is kind of frustrating because this is the box to put them in, and obviously it just gets destroyed trying to take it out. So let's get what we have in here. So we got the earbuds inside of here. Looks like we got some other stuff. So let's push this to the side. So get the earbuds out. So we got the wrapping here. So I'm just gonna rip those apart. So there we go. Now here looks like we have a user guide and some safety information. Looks like there's a QR code there if you wanted to download the Nothing X app, which I already have since I have the Nothing Ear ones. And then looks like we have a cable Type-C as it says here. So it's a white braided USB-C to USB-C cable. It is very tiny. It's maybe about a foot long if I had to guess, but it is kind of like this braided material, but it has a silicone over it, which is kind of nice. But then this is the look of the tips here. So a little different, rounded here, rubbery filling. So that's what comes inside the box. We do have some ear tips as well. So has some additional ones. So it says these are the small and large. So I got some there. The mediums are already pre-installed. So let's just push this stuff to the side, and here is the main attraction. Feels a little bit different than the previous box, much lighter. It is significantly much smaller than the previous box, I can tell right off the bat. Has that uniqueness to it. As soon as I popped open the case, it started going into pairing mode. So let me go ahead and put that down right there, and let me get my phone out. So I have the app here. So let's go ahead and pair a new device, and it's scanning right there. It found the Nothing Ear 2s. Connect device to Bluetooth. So we'll go back. There we go. Set up this device. So this is where it's going to explain a little bit on how to actually use it. So as you can see here, it says a single pinch will play and pause and answer and hang up phone calls. If we do a double pinch, it's going to skip forward or decline an incoming call. And then if we do a triple pinch, then that's going to skip back. And then if we do a pinch and hold, that's where you're going to be able to turn on your noise cancellation and also the transparency modes. So I'm going to push that's all. Out of the box, it comes with 100% charge on everything, as you can see here. Does have an equalizer where you can personalize the sound profile. Not going to do that quite yet, just because obviously I just got them out of the box. But there is where you can do more bass, balance, more treble, voice, or you can customize it if you wanted to do so. And then you can do a personal sound profile where it adapts to your hearing. So basically it'll do different types of sound tests and try to customize it to your liking. And then of course here is the controls once again, but you can also customize it where if I didn't want the double pinch to be skipped forward, I could decline a call, I could bring up the voice assistant, etc, etc. So that is all of the controls. It looks like there might be, yep. So out of the box too, there's already a firmware update that's ready to go, as you can see there. So it's at 5%. So I'm just going to kind of put that to the side here and pay attention to these a little bit more. So getting them out, I can already tell that they look almost identical to the previous ones. Now the previous models that I have are the black versions, but I can tell that right here, like where the little pinch thing is, it does feel a little bit better. Like it's almost like where I should be pinching. It does say Nothing Ear 2 in the earbud as well. So that's really cool. These are so cool. Like these look so unique, so cool. They just look like something that would be a talking piece if you had them in your ears. So that's just something to point out, guys, is that like that look right there just is so cool. I don't know why I keep on saying that, but it is. I just really, really like the design of them compared to my AirPods Pro 2. And with having the case right here too, you can see that it does say ear case. So it says that right there. And then right here too at the bottom, it does have these little humps, which I don't remember the other ones having. So I'm gonna grab that case real quick and let's compare and contrast real fast. Okay, so now having both of these side by side, you can definitely tell quite a bit of a difference in size here. I mean, it's not drastic, but it is definitely noticeable in the hand when I'm holding them like this. Like it is very much a smaller, lighter case versus this one here. But what I'm talking about when I was saying that a minute ago is this is a complete flat surface on the back, and this one kind of has like this extra piece here that was inside the case originally. And then there's just like this little hump here on the back where the housing is for the earbuds. So maybe they redesigned that for some reason for a better connection. Just everything looks a little bit different compared to the two. And then when I'm holding them, so like I was saying just a second ago, this is the difference that I'm talking about with the two, is this has a little bit more of an indentation now, or indentation, where it almost feels like when I'm holding it and I'm looking for it to pinch, I can find it a lot easier. And then as you can see here, compared to the two, I mean, they look almost identical in size. Like I said, almost everything's exactly the same, just tweaked a little bit. So like I said, these are going to be $149 on Nothing's website. Ultimately, if you already have the ear ones, is it worth upgrading to? I don't know yet. That's to be determined after I actually test them out. But everything that I've been able to see when I've looked online is that these sound better. The noise cancellation's a little bit better. I've heard that the transparency mode isn't that great, but we'll see. And then just with that ability to customize your sound and everything like that, I think is very, very nice, where you can really tweak these to have more bass or more treble, depending on your preference when you're listening to music. So I'm very excited to try these out. I will definitely be trying these out today, and then I'll be back later to do a full review of these. So there is the Nothing Ear 2s. Let me know down in the comments if you scoop these up. Oh, forgot to say USB-C charging as well, obviously. Then there's the pairing button, all that. So, but like I said, let me know, did you decide to spend the $150 on these? And also, since I ordered them early, what was really cool is they were kind enough to also send this tote bag, came with it. So it has a Nothing tote bag that came along with it. And then they also sent this Nothing sticker, which I thought was kind of cool as well. So there we have it, guys. There is the Nothing Ear 2s. So hit that like button if you liked this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, see you on the next one.